Welcome back to the garage here at Basin Motorsports. I'm Canaan. Today, I just want to officially wrap up the Gray Lady build, the 1986 Ford Mustang that I pulled out of a field 5.5 years ago, somewhere like that, and officially close this playlist because I did sell it approximately 2 weeks ago. Now, a younger enthusiast came out to drive it. We drove it around for a few minutes. He got a feel of the car. We talked a little bit more. Took him about a week to go ahead and get his funding together. And I delivered it to him. Now, I went down and met him at his bank so that I could get a cashier's check for the car. And then I delivered it to his house and fired up on the trailer, drove it right off, and put it in his driveway. So the official Gray Lady is done. And that's all I wanted to say about it. Had a good time building it. It was frustrating at times. Spent a little bit more on it than I planned to when I initially was planning to rebuild it and flip it, but that's okay. Still think I came out on the positive end for the build, and that's it. So if you guys are interested in what transpired, I would say, on the build over the 4 years it took me to get it from the field to the running, driving car I was taking to a car show last year, go ahead and watch the playlist. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.